There's a huge universe out there.
Welcome back everyone, it is Amelia. I hope you are fine. Nintendo has so many classic games at this point that it's hard to compete. Even just in terms of their first-party offerings that they completely control, they're a juggernaut. But there are also a ton of third-party classics released exclusively on Nintendo platforms that the publisher can claim pseudo-ownership of. That's not even including all the platforms they've worked on, from consoles to portables. Now, thanks to a new post on X from Nintendo, we know what games are coming next. You can play them for free now on Switch, as they've just arrived on the platform. Let's take a look at what Nintendo is offering up now. Nintendo Switch Online just added 3 more games to the platform, and you can log in and play them for free on the service now. Here is everything on offer. Pac-Man Mendel Palace: The Tower of Druaga. For reference, this Pac-Man is a NES version of the 1980 Absolute Classic. It's available now, but it's wild that it took this long to come to the Nintendo Classics collection. In fact, you could make that argument about a lot of games that still haven't shown up on the platform. Mendel Palace is a cult classic game that arrived on the NES overseas in 1990, and it has a heck of a history. It's the game that eventually led to the creation of Pokémon by Satoshi Tajiri, who was a young developer and director at Game Freak at the time. The Tower of Druaga is a NES game from Namco in which you square off against a giant demon called Druaga. Although fans aren't super happy with the frequency at which games have been added to the service, there are a ton of platforms to choose from now if you have a Nintendo Switch Online subscription. At this point, you can play NES, SNES, Nintendo 64, Sega Genesis, Game Boy Color, Game Boy Advance, GameCube, and Virtual Boy games. The oddest addition is easily the inclusion of the Virtual Boy, which was seen as one of Nintendo's most unsuccessful rollouts. Now, you can play a good chunk of the library on Switch through the use of 2 accessories that help facilitate the visor effect. If you're looking to dive into some classic games, Nintendo has you covered for the most part. While it might take a long time for more classics to slowly roll out, you have a ton of choices, not just in terms of raw titles, but platforms as well. It's the benefit of being in business for decades, or in the case of Nintendo, over a century. Give me some ideas related to my video in comments below if you like this video, and subs for more upcoming videos.